Hi, so it's 22nd of July and this is the first edition of Market Watch. This is at 10:30ish a.m. in the morning. So first half में Jubilant Food बहुत अच्छी move दी and now you can see that the positions are really is really in good trend और ये हमने reversal के लिए बात भी की थी but it's the move it was because of the result which was posted. और ICICI Prudential Life भी बहुत अच्छी दी थी move and you can see that there was a booking from higher levels and these two are a result play and similarly is Havels. We traded Havels, it was our BTST, so it went really good. It gave nearly 7% return in one session as BTST. ये बहुत अच्छी थी. हम देख रहे हैं मन्नापुरम में भी एक बहुत अच्छी एक मूव आ रही है एंड मे बी मन्नापुरम मे बी अ वेरी गुड कैंडिडेट फॉर इंट्राडे मूव. बजाज फाइनेंस का भी मूव बहुत अच्छी है एंड द पोजीशंस एंड इज गेटिंग इन ट्रेंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग डाउन टर्न. सो मे बी दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द स्टॉक्स विच कैन मूव. ट्रेंड हमने बोला था कि ये बहुत अच्छी एक रिवर्सल कैंडिडेट है. हमने लास्ट 2 दिन से हम ये डिस्कस किए थे व्हेन दिस कैंडल वाज फॉर्म्ड एंड नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स ट्राइंग टू गो टुवर्ड्स 900 बट अगेन it's still not in trend. Muthoot Finance is also going to give a very good कल जब मैंने वीडियो बनाया था मैंने बोला था कि बजाज फाइनेंस जैसा मूव करेगा. All these finance companies are going to move on a very similar basis. And this is exactly what we are seeing, that even Muthoot Finance is trying to go towards all-time high. LTTS is ready for a breakout. Don't miss this one. This is something which is definitely going to be a very good trade and it seems like it's trying to get in a trend. And Granules also you can see is trying to move forward and it seems like 400 can be achievable in a very short to medium term. आज इसमें अभी ये ट्रेंड में आ रही है though it had a very high selling from higher levels but still it was able to recover. And so is AUBANK में भी अच्छी एक बहुत 3 दिनों के लगातार सेलिंग के बाद you can see there's it's a very bullish pattern which is forming as of 10:30 a.m. in the morning and seems like positions are getting added. हमको देखना है कि ये 1200 levels क्रॉस करके क्लोज करती है कि नहीं. फिर going forward we can expect some higher returns on this trade. DLF भी बहुत अच्छी एक मूव दे रही है. Positions are getting added and so is Hindalco. This is a very there was a very big red candle and now you can see this is a very bullish pattern. So going forward हमें 400 का देखना होगा. हमने लास्ट टाइम भी इन्हीं रीजन्स 390 इसे हमने खरीद के 404 तक के हमने ये ट्रेड लिया था. So it was on this trade and similarly seems like Hindalco is also going to move. One thing I see from a sectorial perspective, JSW Steel, Hindalco, these are all placed very near and also Tata Steel would come in very soon. Exactly, Tata Steel bhi. So it seems like steel sector is a good sector because you can see this is a very bullish pattern, this is a very bullish pattern and also this is a very bullish pattern. So going forward and again you can see sale over here is also forming a bullish pattern and positions are really getting added over here. I think from a trade perspective you should first try to focus on sale and then you should go for Hindalco because it seems like positions are sale is much more in trend but we have to see how it moves from here. And from ICICI First Bank this is also is going to give us a reversal. Let's see how this moves out. And so is Bank of Baroda. Apollo Hospital, this was one of the stocks जो हमने यहाँ से track करना शुरू किया था and today it made an all-time high of 4,000. so that was an awesome move which the company or the stock gave. Voltas, this is also a very bullish pattern और यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि positions are getting added. We have to see how this moves forward. Godrej Property is also going towards 1600. This is again a bullish pattern. Emphasis, it made an all-time high. We had it as BTST from last session and ये भी बहुत अच्छी एक हमें move दी. और इन्फी भी यहाँ पे हमने 1150 के लेवल से क्योंकि ये जो कैंडल थी इसको ये डिवॉल्व कर रही थी और हमने तभी पोजीशंस बनाए थे और आज ये बहुत अच्छी मूव थी टूवर्ड्स 117 576 लेवल्स जहाँ पे हमने अपना ट्रेड क्लोज किया. और गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक PNB माइट बी अ वेरी गुड रिवर्सल कैंडिडेट. ये हमने बहुत दिनों से ये डाउन ट्रेंड में थी. अब इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स ट्राइंग टू मूव अप. वी विल सी हाउ इट एंड्स एंड वेदर इट्स एबल टू होल्ड द लेवल्स ऑफ 40. हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर भी हमने 2400 में पोजीशंस बनाए थे और आज ये रिजल्ट के स्पेकुलेशन के चलते 2480 तक चली गई है. सो दैट्स एक्चुअली अ गुड ट्रेड. बजाज फिनसर्व में मेरा कोई ट्रेड नहीं है, बट दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स लाइक द पोजिशंस आर गेटिंग एडेड एंड इट्स अ वेरी बुलिश पैटर्न. हमने SBI लाइफ को लास्ट कल ही हमने ये डिस्कस किया था, वेयर आई टोल्ड दिस इज मोर ऑफ a very good reversal can happen, and this is exactly what's happening. This is forming a very good bullish pattern on the daily chart, and LTI bhi bought is actually poised for a very good breakout. So this is a very good high and high low, very small candles. So maybe you should also be tracking LTI, and maybe it will be giving us a very good move in the short term. Axis Bank is also bullish. So you can see that a lot of stocks over here, they are forming all this green candles, right? And so it seems like it's just really going good. And this is Tata Power is again not looking good, because though we have to see the closing of today's candle. If it is green, then it will be more of a bullish pattern. And Bosch is again in the very tight narrow consolidation, so there's not much happening over here. Larsen and Toublo is also consolidating, and it seems like positions are getting added. So L&T would definitely be one of the stocks we would be tracking for a breakout over 1620 regions. And Gujarat Gas is also at a new all-time high it made, and now it seems like positions are getting added and it's coming in trend. We have to see if it is able to hold the 700 levels. Tata Motor, it was able to hold 300 till now, so there's not much. And if you look for Bajaj Auto is also going for a very good reversal. This was one of the companies which we discussed, and the other company which we discussed yesterday from the auto sector for reversal and SIPs is Maruti. So Maruti also, you will see that it's going the way we have discussed earlier. And you can see that positions and so the companies which might which are looking weak and can have further weakness is like TVS Motor and Tata Consumer. And Aisha Motor also is actually any breakdown from this 2525 levels may go towards 2500. ये बहुत अच्छी एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड थी जिसको हमने यहाँ पे क्लोज कर दिया था, बट इट्स like still it's in a downtrend, and maybe and so is also Adani Port. ACC में आज हल्की सी profit booking आई है, but that's perfectly fine, and we have to see how at the end of the day this particular pans out. अगर हम weakness की बात करते हैं तो definitely Hero Motor is weak, and this is a very good short candidate, and so is companies like Torrent Power भी लेकिन from a position perspective I think Shriram Transport is also looking weak. We have to see if it's able to maintain and move past 1400. As of now it seems like this is going to face some immediate resistance at 1420 levels. So वहाँ से वो रिवर्स करती है कि नहीं वो देखना होता है, बट अभी हम ये चीज़ देख सकते हैं कि आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर वेरी गुड बुलिश पैटर्न जो डोजी फॉर्म हुआ था, उसके बाद ये पैटर्न उतनी खास नहीं है, एंड रादर इट्स मोर बियरिश दैन ऑन बुलिश नोट. Similarly, Berger Paint में भी कुछ weakness है. We have to see if it is able to maintain 850 zones. So from trading perspective, you can look for all those names which are in this top quadrant, और इनमें आप by in-depth करने की strategy रख सकते हैं. Especially the companies which are looking good are LTI, Havells, Mannapuram, Muthoot, and Granules, LTTS definitely, and From a steel sector, you can have a look at Hindalco and SAIL, where positions are getting added, and also IDFC First Bank, Bank of Baroda, Apollo Hospital, and Voltas. Thanks a lot for listening up this video of Market Watch at 10:30 a.m. It did give you a very good idea about how the market is poised and how the positions are getting added. मैंने निफ्टी की स्ट्रैटेजी और एक्सपायरी में निफ्टी का क्या रेंज हो सकता है उसका वीडियो मैंने पोस्ट किया है, जो आपको अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर में मिल जाएगी, वो आप देख सकते हो, जहाँ पे मैं निफ्टी 50 कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स की मूव के बारे में कुछ स्टडी करके बताया कि किस तरह से निफ्टी जा सकती है, और गोइंग फॉरवर्ड व्हाट वुड बी माई स्ट्रैटेजी एंड व्हाट वुड बी द लेवल्स जो मैं निफ्टी में देख रहा हूँ या एक्सपायरी में देख सकता हूँ, हम लोग देख सकते हैं. एज यूजुअल दीज आर ऑल स्पेकुलेशंस. अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से बात करके ही इन्वेस्ट या ट्रेड करें. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर लिसनिंग एंड बाय बाय.